You're looking for something healthy, hearty, and that will warm the belly. Let me show you how to make this delicious white bean and chicken chili. Let's get 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating up in a large skillet over medium heat. While that's heating up, let's chop up 4 cups of yellow onion, 4 ribs of celery, and we're gonna mince 12 cloves of garlic. Let's get the onions, celery, and garlic added to the skillet, and we're gonna saute that until it's softened, about 7 or 8 minutes or so, and they're gonna remove it from the pan and we're gonna set that aside. Now let's add about 8 cups of boneless skinless chicken thighs and 2 small cans of diced green chilies to the skillet. And we're gonna season that generously with salt and pepper, and then stir and cook until you see no more pink in the chicken. Next, in a large pot or Dutch oven, we're gonna add 6 cans of drained navy or northern beans. We're gonna add 6 cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then we're gonna take one of those empty cans of the beans and we're gonna fill that twice with water and add that. Now add the onions and the chicken. We're gonna stir that thoroughly to combine. And we're gonna turn the heat up to medium-high, and we wanna bring this up to a boil, and we wanna stir occasionally. Once it comes up to a boil, let's reduce our heat down to low, and we're gonna put our lid on, and we're gonna let that simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes until the chili thickens. All right, we are set to go. Oh, yum. Look at this. All right, folks, let's dish it up. All right, folks, so we're all set here. Let me show you what we do to doctor this up. So to start, I'm gonna use a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese just over the top here. Cheddar cheese would be good, pepper jack will be really good. We're gonna move on a little bit of cilantro. Of course, you gotta have a little sour cream, just a little dollop there in the middle. And then we'll finish this up with a little bit of avocado. And I always like to have tortilla chips or something like that with my chili. So put these on the side, crumble them over the top, whatever you like. Here you go, folks. White bean and chicken chili. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.